Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change your Instagram password with the phone number. So the first step is go to the official application of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile. Pick here in your profile, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. You pick here, and you need to search the option of security, password and security. You pick here, and after that you need to go to the option of change password. So now you need to choose the account you want to change the password. You pick here. You need to pick here the password, the actual password, and after that you need to put here the new password, and you put here in change password. After that they send to you a code in your phone number, and you can confirm the creation of a new password. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.